Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M35. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then click on More and I agree. Then click More and I agree. Now click Next. And now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. And OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. And then click back, and now click on lock screen, then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.